Hello students, this is exercise number 5 of the Progressive Monthly Magazine, December 2021 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. Yesterday I had the honor to present a resolution before you which you passed. In it we stated that we wanted it to be clearly understood that we aim at a socialistic pattern of society. In that resolution, which deal with the economic policy, we have to give effect to that decision of yours because ultimately it is the economic policy which is going to shape that picture of India which you call the socialistic pattern. This resolution is therefore of the highest importance. In a resolution of this kind, however long drawn out it might be, one cannot enter into the details of policies. There is a danger in such resolutions, and that is what you may use striking words and vague phrases and imagine that you have given a great lead to the country. That does not help us because we have to solve the problems of India. How to deal with those problems is itself a problem. The problems of unemployment and of raising the level of our people are not solved by broad decisions or slogans. I say this without any disrespect to those who wield striking words because I myself have been a wielder of words all my life, drafting resolutions, getting them passed, and so on. But a time comes when you have to forget words and deal with hard actualities. This applies more, especially to congressmen, because they have much more responsibility than others in running the government and deciding the government's policy. For us, merely to write resolutions is not good enough. What, then, must we do? The only thing to be done is to sit down and draw up a plan, a detailed plan. That is the function of the Planning Commission and of the government and of those whom they consult. Obviously, a Congress session cannot sit down and draw up a 5-year plan. But in a resolution of this kind, we have to indicate the type of thinking needed in drawing up that plan. This resolution contains a brief reference to the objective to be achieved. First of all, after expressing appreciation of what has been done, the resolution says that the time has now come for substantially increasing production, for raising the standard of living, and for having progressively fuller employment so as to achieve full employment within a period of 10 years in the Congress.